Where are we going?
I don't know. It's gonna be there. It's gonna be fast.
You're so free-spirited when you're driving, right? That you're just talking and it's flowing. And next thing you know, we looked at each other, it's like, damn, we just had a badass conversation.
When two like-minded people get together and start that conversation, that needs to be recorded.
And it's more intentional though.
Talk about.
Yeah, exactly, but it's so much more intentional than going out and say, hey man, this is to everybody shooting content, you shoot organic, but there's some type of script to it, whether it's a location, whether it's meeting somebody. But today was completely unscripted. Well, not only that, I didn't even know you were riding with me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that being said, our conversation had so much intent with it,
Exactly.
so much potential for him being at the age of where he's at. He's like, Junior, pressuring me. He's like, it's time for us to do a deal. And I said, if the numbers make sense, I'll always be able to make a deal.
Yeah. RPM, so everything's gate controlled on it. So unless you're adding a whole bunch more features to it, like Wolf's car, that car's slow as fuck. All right, and the problem is it can't get. Unless you're adding CO2 to it, and then you're going to have to put it on Motec because DS1 isn't going to control CO2 actuation. So that's the only way you're going to be able to operate the car. Now, I can leave mine on DS1 and run the blower on it, and then put the turbos on it, and I don't have to worry about CO2 or gate control because it's going to be in boost right away because of the blower, and then I'm going to overpower the blower with the turbo. So my turbo is going to be twice the size of his hanging out the back. So it'll be pretty gangster. Here, pull the camera up. Pull the camera up. All right, we got a sneak peek. We got a sneak peek. All right, check this out. First ever Lamborghini Huracan billet door handle. In production right now. In production right now.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I was about to change the whole.
Bro, I'm making everything, dude. Everything. So this first one that's coming out, it hasn't been done before, and it was very intricate, but it'll be on the market in less than a month. Here we go.
kind of adjusting timing and filling cylinders and all that shit to pull up the RPMs really quick. So especially on a stick shift car, I don't have to load the converter. That's why I hate automatics. You got to load against the converter. But being that I don't have to load against the converter, I can manipulate, all right, the way the ECM operates, bring in boost and timing right away to raise it up. I can be on 25 pounds of boost. That 25 pounds of boost in my car is probably like 1,800 wheel, you know, and I could be sitting still and be at 1,800 wheel and double clutch, and it's going to take everything.